Multimedia has brought its Syntronik synth ROMpler to the iPad. This sample-based app features 17 synths that, collectively, emulate 37 iconic and rare instruments, including models from Moog, ARP, Roland, Yamaha, and Oberheim. In addition to a set of carefully captured multi-samples, Syntronik also features X-Drift technology, which promises to emulate the behavior of real analog oscillators and increase the levels of realism. There's also a modeled filters section. There are 7 types, including some classics, and each of them can be used within any of the synths, enabling you to create some unique sonic combinations. Further sound design potential comes via the 36 effects, 5 of which can be inserted in a lunchbox-style interface. There are consistent controls across the synths to aid ease of use, and you can create 4-part layered multis for layers and splits. 200 of these come ready stacked, and there are also 1,200 presets and 129 arpeggios for you to chew on. A free version of Syntronik can be downloaded now from the Apple App Store. This comes with 25 sounds from across the 17 synth Syntronik Full, which offers a more comprehensive experience, can be had as an in-app purchase for the introductory price of £38.99, $39.99, while individual synths can be purchased for £9.99, $9.99 each.